Hello guys, welcome to Selected Tech. Today I'm going to give you the top 5 video recording software which is free of cost, no watermarks, no recording limit, and high quality output. Let's go for it guys. So first one, open your Chrome, type FreeCam. I'm going to give the links on the description below, then enter. So the first two software that you are going to see, which is FreeCam, free screen recording and video editing software, then click. So after it's open, then you'll see that enter your email. So once you give your email, then it will then click download, then it will directly download your software. So before I move forward, free tool for creating screencasts. Easily create screencasts, edit recording videos, and upload to YouTube, no watermarks or time limit. So this software is very easy to use, and then more especially when you are a YouTuber. So after you finish recording your video, so it will give you a shortcut that you can upload your video directly to your YouTube channel. So since I'm already downloaded this, then we will skip it, then here it is. So I'm already on it, so it will not allow us to run it again because I'm using it to recording this video. So I'm using OBS and FreeCam. They are the best and reliable software for recording video. So but I'll talk about it in the next video. So let's go for the second one. The second one is Bandicam. Bandicam is very good software for recording video also. Then click Bandicam, then enter. So after it's open, then the first two software that you are going to see with this Bandicam screen recorder download, then click. Bam. So after it's open, then you'll see here which is the operating system. Okay, download Bandicam. So you'll see all the tools, and then when you go down, so you'll see the recording time limit, register, but don't worry, okay, don't mind between they say that 10 minutes for recording or limited over 24 hours recording, so don't mind. Okay, image capture, you know, when you are recording your video, you can also capture your image. Game FPS, you can record your game. You can use it also for webcam recording. So no watermark and everything. Even when you go down, you can see over 10 million people use this software. So this software is very important and is very easy to use also. Since I'm already downloaded, let's go for it. Then here we are. So after it's open, you'll see the Bandicam. Okay, I will give you the tutorial of Bandicam in the next video. So Bandicam comes with a lot of tools. Okay, even when you go for the screen, you can see select a recording area, rectangle on a screen, full screen, around mouse. Okay, when we selected this select a recording area, for example, as you can see, you can select the recording area where you want to record. You can see it will zoom the place and record it. So this one is very important software. And then also you can click the rectangle on a screen, so you can see it will give you a whatever you want, anything. Even when you go for the full screen, it will give you the full screen. Then you start your full screen as you can see. Where this software is very important also. You can use it and it's reliable and trusted also. So as you can see, this software, it comes with many things. Okay, so even when you go for the device recording, in device recording you can see the webcam. We have virtual camera, we have webcam, so you can choose any one of them. So when you move for we have also flip screen, which is horizontal and vertical. So this software, I will give the review of this software the tutorial of this software, I mean, in the next video. So let's move to the Xbox. A lot of people thinking that you can only use Xbox to recording video or to recording games, sorry, I mean. So no, Xbox is one of the hiding video recording. You can also use Xbox to record your video as well and to post your video wherever you want. Okay, so in Xbox we also have our voice. Okay, you can also test your voice, your everything that you want. Okay, it comes with it as well. So in Xbox we also have the performance. Okay, we have CPU 100%, we have GPU, VRAM, RAM and FPS. Okay, so each and every one has its own performance. Okay, so the percentage is going up and down. Okay, it's going up and down. So you can use Xbox to record your video as well. If you want to go for the game recording, so this is one of the best software that you can use. Also, just sign and give your Microsoft Gmail ID and good to go. I will give the Xbox tutorial on the next video, I hope so. So now guys, we are going for the next recording video software, which is Zoom Video. I thought Zoom Video is for only conference. So a lot of people thinking that you can only use Zoom Video for recording, organizing a meeting, video meeting, conference, class, that's all. No. So Zoom Video, you can also use Zoom Video as well as like pre-cam, bandicam, screen recording and so on. You can also record your videos, like for example, let's go for the Zoom. I'll give you some highlight of the Zoom video. Okay, so after it's open, then here you'll give your Gmail ID and your password as well. So now our Zoom is open. Okay, so after the Zoom video is open, so what next is that here for the new meeting, we have new meeting, we have join, we have everything, share screen and everything, home, chat, meeting, contact, like some apps, whiteboard, we have everything. Okay, like I already give my Gmail ID here. You can see my Gmail ID is available. So before you enter the Zoom video, you have to make sure that you give your correct Gmail ID and password. So after it's open, here for the new meeting, once you click for the new meeting, then you'll see a recording video, then you start your recording. Once you finish, you can also come back again and click stop recording. So you can use Zoom Video also for recording a lot of videos, a lot of things. Like when you are a YouTuber, you can use Zoom Video to record a lot of things. So Zoom Video is very easy, and it also free of cost, and it also no watermarks, no recording limit. You can record your video unlimited, and the good thing is that it also high quality output, so don't miss it. So guys, now let's go for the next video recording software, which is the last one, OBS. It's one of my favorite software, recording software, which is OBS, Open Broadcaster software. Is one of the top best recording software, which is even like some Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, they also try this software. So it's very important, and it's very easy to use it. Okay, if you understand, and it always used to come with some features also. Okay, so now let's go for the OBS software. Okay, so now guys, our OBS software is open. So what we have to do now is that we just have to come here. We have sources, we have scenes, we have file. Okay, we have edit, we have view, we have many things. You know, this software it brings many things and features also. So what we have to do now is that we just have to come here. You know, we have almost scene, we have scene 1, we have scene 2. So we can remove this one. Okay, you can remove it. We can remove this one also. Okay, click yes. Then the next one is we just have to come here with the sources plus. You have to click. You can also give right click in here or click here or click this plus. Okay, you can do right click. Okay, let's click it out. So in here we also have audio input, audio output, browser, color source, display, game, image slideshow, media scene, and a lot of things. Okay, we have. So what we have to do here is that we just have to click audio input. So at audio input you can rename your audio input. You have to give the name that you can recognize. Okay, so for me I can leave it like audio input. So let's click for the OK. After you click OK, you have to come to the default, then click default, come here for microphone, click microphone, and then come here for and click OK. Okay, so now we have already see our audio input capture, which is here. Audio input is already start running. So then again we can click here again the plus, then we can add audio output. Okay, again you can name your audio output. For me I can even give only one. So as you can see, we have audio output, we have audio input. So we have two audio input, and we have input audio, and we have output audio. Okay, so the next one is we just have to right click again, or you can click the first again, the plus again, sorry, then you come here for the display. Okay, then you can click display. So after you click display, then you click OK, then you select this one. Okay, so now our display already came. Then we can do everything working. As you can see, you can also see my mouse, how my mouse is running. Okay, wherever I touch I will see it here, as you can see. So this OBS is very important and is very good to use, and it's also high quality output, and it's also free of cost, no recording limit, no watermarks, and it has a lot of features also. So also we can click it, right click again, then click add, then we can come here and see what we're gonna add again. We can add something again here, which is let's go for the let's go for the media source. Yeah guys, we can click media source, but before we can let us go for the starting recording. Okay, let's record some video, then you can come here, start recording. So now our recording already started. Okay, so now we can stop our recording. We can also start streaming, start virtual camera, we have studio mode, we have settings, we have exit. Okay, so now our recording is already started. So we have many things I can show you for this OBS. I think I will give the full tutorial of OBS also, because it comes with a lot of features. So now our recording already started. So as you can see, our recording is going. So now we can also again stop our recording. So once we stop our recording, then we'll just come here to the file. Okay, in file, then you click show recording. After you click show recording, then you will come here. We have, in here we have it in MKB. Okay, here is our recording. So we have the recording in MKB. So having recording in MKB does mean you can't edit your video in some other software. You can't edit. Okay, so we have to make it at MP4, like this one, MP4, not MKB. If the recording comes in MKB, so that means we cannot edit our video in another software. So now what we have to do here is that we just have to go back to the OBS again, then click here, click remarks recording. After you click remarks recording, then come here and then click here. After you click, then go to the video that you're recording, this one, which is MKB. It comes MKB, then click and click open. So after you click open, then you click remarks. So now our video recording is remaxed already. Then click OK. So after you click OK, then you can click close. After you click close, then again come here to the file, show file. Then in show file, then you can see your recording. You see already convert to MP4. Before it was MKV, okay, so now it's converted to MP4 because we remarked it. So if it is converted in MP4, that's me, so you can get chance to edit your video in any software. So but also you can also come to the file, then settings. After you come to the settings, okay, so in setting you can come here to the output, click output, then come here recording format. So in recording then you can click MP4, you can click OMP or MKV. So the important in MKV is that MKV, it is unlimited recording, it is unlimited. So guys, I hope you understand between MKV and MP4, sorry, I mean MP4, it is limited recording, and MKV, it is unlimited recording. So for me, usually I use MKV, which is unlimited recording, but you can use MP4 if you want to record your video for just not more than 1 hour. You can use MP4, but if it's like more than 1 hour, it has so many hours, so you have to use MKV. Okay, after using MKV as well, then after using MKV, then you can convert it to the, you can come here for the remarks. Okay, after you click after you click show recording, then you can remarks your recording. So you can do like this also. So then in OBS, you know, as well, in OBS we have so many things. We have same output, audio, video, hotkeys. So let's talk about hotkeys, guys. In hotkeys, what is hotkeys? Hotkeys, okay, here simply means like shortcut. Okay, so in start streaming, you can choose any number, any hotkeys. Like you can choose backspace, you can choose MP3. Okay, but let's go for the start recording. In start recording, let's give MP5. Stop recording MP5. So once we click MP5, then start virtual camera, we have show source, we have studio mode, transition, reset start, screenshot output. You can give all hotkeys that you have to memorize them, that you will not forget it. Okay, it is very easy once you understand your shortcut. So once you understand your shortcut, okay, your hotkeys, so obviously this OBS, it will be helpful for you and it will become very easy for you. So I love OBS because OBS is one of the best top recording software. So OBS is very important. Seriously, I recommend you this OBS, even though the 5 top video recording software that I mentioned, all of them are very important, like FreeCam. So but the best on it is OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. So let's click apply, then okay, then again in start recording, as you remember, I give F5. Okay, so here is my mouse, let's click F5. So now the recording already started. Okay, so if I click F5 again, then the recording will stop. Then I click F5, so the recording has been stopped. So OBS is very important. I recommend you this app. So thank you so much. This is the end of our video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. See you in the next video. Goodbye.